Dad, why does Grandma's neighborhood have like 5 houses that have been empty for years?
Those are ghosts from 2008. The financial crisis. It's one of the most important economic events of the last 100 years, and it almost took everything down.
How does the whole world almost collapse? Seems like an overstatement.
It starts simple. Banks gave mortgages to people who couldn't really afford them. We called those subprime mortgages. Low credit scores, no down payment, sometimes no income verification.
Wait, banks just handed out money they knew people couldn't repay?
They did, because they immediately sold the loans to Wall Street. Once they sold it, it wasn't their problem anymore. The incentives were completely broken.
So Wall Street bought a bunch of bad loans. Why would they do that?
They bundled thousands of mortgages into packages called CDOs, Collateralized Debt Obligations. Imagine taking a bag of apples, some rotten, and selling slices. The idea was mixing good and bad spread the risk.
That sounds like the worst fruit stand ever.
And the rating agencies, the companies paid to say how safe investments are, they rated most of those bundles AAA. Top grade. Safe as government bonds. They were catastrophically wrong.
So everyone was just lying? Or did they not know?
Mix of both. Some people knew and kept quiet because they were making money. Others genuinely believed housing prices would rise forever. When prices started falling in 2006, the dominoes started wobbling.
Okay, wobbling dominoes, what actually fell first?
Homeowners couldn't pay. Foreclosures spiked. The CDO bundles became worthless. Banks holding them started collapsing. Bear Stearns, then the giant one, Lehman Brothers. September 2008.
Lehman was just allowed to fail? Nobody saved them?
The government let them fail. The decision was controversial then and still is. After that, credit markets around the world essentially froze. Banks stopped trusting each other completely.
And then the government bailed out other banks though, right? That made people so mad.
$700 billion through TARP. The logic was those banks were too big to fail. If they fell, they'd take millions of regular people's savings, pensions, and jobs with them. Still debated today.
So what did regular people actually lose? Like, actual people, not banks.
9 million people lost their homes. 8 million lost jobs. Retirement accounts dropped 40%. Those empty houses in Grandma's neighborhood, families lived there and lost everything in months.
And the bankers who caused it, mostly kept their jobs, right?
Mostly, yeah. One person, went to prison. A lot of people are still angry about that, reasonably so. The crisis showed how badly the incentives were aligned against regular people.
Did we learn anything? Like, did we actually fix stuff?
Dodd-Frank in 2010 added new rules, higher capital requirements, stress tests, a Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Banks are safer now. But whether it's enough is still argued every election cycle.
The lesson is basically, don't lend money to people who can't pay it back.
And don't package that debt into something that looks safe when it isn't, then sell it to the entire world. The complexity hid the rot until it was everywhere.
Next time I'm at Grandma's, I'm going to look at those houses differently.
Those empty houses are where the numbers became real. 8 million families. Not a statistic, neighbors. That's worth remembering.